Hello, I'm Shantanu. I'm an organic chemistry instructor in the Department of Chemistry at Fresno State University, and I welcome you to the Chemistry 128A Introductory Organic Chemistry lecture that I'll be teaching you for the rest of fall semester. In this particular video, I'm going to introduce you to the syllabus of this course and go over certain important aspects of the syllabus, my expectations from you guys, and what you can expect from me, and overall course outline. What I have on the screen right now is the Word document of this particular course, and I will also show you where exactly the syllabus is located on the Blackboard site of this particular course. Let's move there. So the course is Organic Chemistry 128A for fall 2014, and the course is scheduled to be taught on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I clicked on that, and you can see that most of the course documents are going to be located under course documents. That will include lecture notes, other instructions regarding the lectures, and other course materials in other forms and resources. The syllabus is under syllabus, and this is the syllabus, Chemistry 128A, F14 syllabus, Shantanu Maitra. So as we open the syllabus, you can see that it talks about the name of the course, the time and course number, section, and the time when we meet. We meet in McLean Room 161, 8 o'clock to 8:50 a.m. It talks about my office hours and my office location. You can read that under number 2, materials. We will be following a specific textbook, Organic Chemistry by David Klein. You can buy the book from the bookstore, or you can also purchase the book from Amazon. And if we quickly go here, you can look at the book by Amazon, and the second edition, which is the current edition, it's available for $221 to buy brand new, or the book can also be rented. You can also buy the older edition, which is significantly cheaper. The difference between the two editions is very minimal, and we can talk about the details of this particular feature later on in another lecture, not in this particular video. What we cover in the rest of the syllabus is after the book about the course, and the prerequisite for 128A is at least a C or a better grade obtained in the previous course, Chem 1B. Primary lecture outcomes are listed down here. That starts from drawing, the ability to draw Lewis dot structures of simple organic compounds, hybridization, geometry, functional groups, learning resonance forms of organic compounds, drawing different classes of other organic compounds that includes alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, isomerism, stereoisomers, geometric isomers, so on and so forth, which you have already been exposed to in the earlier courses, including your high school chemistry courses. Acidity and basicity, understanding pKa, pH, and understanding the very important aspects of certain organic reactions such as addition, elimination, substitution, and rearrangement. The cursor is moving here, the 4th bullet point from the bottom on the first page. Then predicting products, writing reaction mechanisms, which gives you a real good control over understanding organic chemistry. Hopefully at the end of this course, you will have some mastery in a mechanism of actions for various organic reactions. Your responsibilities, you need to do the work yourself, and probably should start working from day one without procrastination. And you need to do the work yourself, and you cannot rely on others for doing your work. You can take special tutoring from other senior students or other instructors, and you can also have study groups, which I've seen from my own experience that comes very handy as far as understanding difficult concepts is concerned. If you think you're not following the instructions, if you're not understanding the lectures during the lecture official scheduled lecture times, you should probably ask for help as soon as possible in all forms and in whatever is available to you. Evaluation of your performance, they will be done through a bunch of examinations. They will either be quizzes, short quizzes, or long exams, and the comprehensive final exam, which is scheduled on December 17th for 2 total hours time. The quizzes will be administered at the end of lectures for about 15 to 25 minutes. The 3-hour long or 15-minute long exams will be the entire lecture periods. They will have variable point counts, but at the end of the day, at the end of the semester, their collective weight will be calculated, and the way the quizzes and the exams and the comprehensive final will contribute to the total points at the end of the semester are the following. Each of the 4 quizzes will contribute to 5%, totaling to 20% of the total weight. 3 exams will be 15% each, and it'll totally contribute to 45% of the total points. And the comprehensive final exam will contribute to 35% of the grade. None of the exams will be dropped, and the tentative assignment of the letter grades will be 88 and above will be A, 87 through 74 will be B, 73 to 55 will be C, 54 to 45 will be D, and below 45 will be F. Other university and class policies are listed under 7. Students with disabilities, you can read this particular section later on. Cheating and plagiarism will not be tolerated. Absolutely zero tolerance, and the student concerned will be bearing the consequence in case there is any incident that happens under this particular clause. Dropping the course, pay attention to the specific dates. If you want to drop the course without any specific showing any specific reason, then you have to do it within your allotted time. If you need to drop the course with special permission, then you need to pay attention to that date too. The special dates are listed down here under 8. Some of the major holidays are listed here. The quiz dates are bold and they're listed. Tests are also bold, are listed in bold. The last day to drop a class without serious or compelling reason is September 18th. And the last day to drop a class with serious or compelling reason is November 18th. Thanksgiving break is from November 26 to 28. There will be a quiz in December 8th. That will be the last quiz. Last day of instruction is December 10, and the final exam will be on December 17. That pretty much ends the syllabus. It's your responsibility to keep track of all the rules and regulations listed in the syllabus. This is virtually the constitution for this course, and we'll be following the syllabus. If we are deviating from the syllabus, then I'll discuss with you guys, and if everyone has his or her consent in the proposed change, then we will probably have that change executed, and we will give you enough time, and we'll have discussions about that in case there is any question about that. It is your responsibility to remember where your syllabus is in Blackboard, in soft copy or in hard copy, and it's your responsibility to remember my name, my office room number, my availability during office hours and at other times, and find out my email address and be able to communicate with me through email. I do have an office phone number. However, I encourage you not to use the office phone too much. If I'm in my office, I'll probably pick up the phone. But if I'm not in my office and if you leave a message and you expect me to call you back, that will probably never happen. So if you call me and if I do not pick up, that means I am not in my office. Do not leave a message. This will virtually end my this is going to end this particular video, and we will catch up in the lecture, and I will post other videos in due course of time. Thank you very much, and I look forward to spending the semester with you, and hopefully it will be a mutually pleasant and educationally fulfilling experience.